Lord have mercy, they fed. I'm gonna get started on these cabinet doors. And one thing, I am not a carpenter. I'm not a cabinet maker. I don't know what I'm doing. I wing things as I go. And what's the old saying?
I am a jack of all trades and a master of none.
That's me. And I think the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna make probably a 2-inch wide strip. It's a 2-inch strip. I think like 3/4 inch thick. And a piece of Luan, which my wonderful daughter drew on this one. I just glued and nailed the Luan onto the strips. This was my test piece. I figured out how to do it. It's not complicated, but I think it'll look pretty good. One door. 3 to go. I got the idea for this design off YouTube. I'll post a link down below in the comments of the YouTube video I watched. I knew how to make these doors. Thank you, YouTube.
Sound of your bass in the forest around a bunch of trees.
Had to run to town, see about these hinges for the cabinets. Well, the hardware store had exactly what I needed. I was worried about it. It's done cooled off on me, but look. Cabinets, doors are up. Gotta trim it out, gotta paint, sand, caulk, all that good stuff. But I did it. And they actually work. She's getting closer. She's getting closer. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all have a wonderful day.